Okay, the mom question for math. Each member of a cross country team runs 6.2 miles, 6.2 miles each day at practice. The team has five seventh grade members. What is the total number of miles the five seventh grade team members will run in eight team practices? Okay, so we don't need to know how many members is in the seventh grade, so that's unnecessary information. We don't need to know that. But we do need to know that there's 6.2 miles each day at practice, and we do know the members will run in 18 practices. We need the total number, so we're going to multiply 18 times 16.2. So I'm going to rewrite this like this. So first I'm going to write 18 times 6.2. So there are 18 practices and 6.2 miles in each practice. So I'm multiplying that. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry your 1, 2 is 3. 48, 8, carry your 4. And then you have 6 and 4 is 10. So you have 6, 11, and you move the decimal over. So what it's asking for, the total number of miles, is 111.6 miles. Okay, so you can round that off to mean 112 miles, and you can bubble that in. Or you can probably be better to be exact, 111.6. So bubble that in the answer document, 111.6, with the 6 being to the right of the decimal place. Okay? Go ahead and erase this. So now we're going to look at the ELAR question. Alice had $693.27 in the bank. I want to put that right here. $693.27 in the bank. She withdrew money from her account to pay $123.54 for her electric bill and $98.66 for groceries. How much money was left in the account? So you have what's in the account, and of course we're going to subtract what she took out. 123.54. So I'm going to pause it and see if you can come up with the answer. Okay, did you get $571.01? If you did, that answer is correct. Let's look at the science ELA. The science, I can only see one. So let's just do that first one, problem 1. Last month, Brandon rode his bike 56.28 miles. And Randy rode his bike 47.93 miles. How much farther did Brian ride his bike last month than Randy? So, of course, we're going to subtract. So let's see if you know what to come up with. Okay, when I subtracted it, as far as how much further, I got 8.35 miles for science. Now for social studies, first problem, Mark ran 11.3 miles on Monday, 12.64 miles on Wednesday, and 11.9 miles on Friday. How many miles did you run all together? So we just add those up, and I'm going to let you do it, and then you can start the recording and see if we get the same thing. Okay, this is the answer I get for the social studies question, is right here. So make sure when you line it up, you line up 11.3, line up the decimal so it will come out correctly. So the second problems, I can't see it or I have my documents. So you should have gotten those in class anyway. Okay.